Pretty much an infinite amount of ways to wear these things. The first one is just with straight tails on the front. Got your nice gangster status here. Make an actual infinity sign. This way is kind of in scarf mode. That's going to bring your zippered secret pockets up here into your lapels and vest mode. So we're going to throw the tails around the back of the body, smooth that down, and then your buttons are going to be on the inside seam. The outside seam is the one that creates the hood. Then your coconut shell buttons are going to be on the inside seam, the one that's up against you. Your two zippered secret pockets brings us to our third Velcro secret pocket up here at the very top and center. This is kind of north on compass. This is how you're able to center yourself, keep your hood nice and square. Go live your best life.